Hello little artist, I'm Mariana Olson and today we're drawing a corgi puppy. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today we're drawing a corgi puppy and I hope you like this lesson. This is one of my daughter's favorite puppies. We're gonna start in the middle of the paper and the first thing is gonna be the nose. We're gonna do a curve and then underneath this curve we're gonna do kind of like the shape of the letter U and it's gonna look like this, okay? Now we're gonna leave that nose like that because at the end we're gonna color it with brown. Now let's do the mouth underneath and we're gonna do first two curves. From the center of the nose I'm gonna go to the left and then from the center of the nose to the right. Underneath these two curves, here in the middle, we're going to do the tongue, which looks like a letter U. And in the middle, we're going to put a little line so it looks more like the tongue. Next, we're going to do the eyes. And these eyes, I'm just going to do it like two oval shapes. So I'm going to start here on the left side and make sure to leave about a finger space between the nose and the eye. Okay, this one, I'm going to fill it with black. Now let's do the same thing, leaving a finger space. I want to make another eye. I want to fill it with black. Now let's do the top of the head and I want to leave a big space in between the eyes and the top of his head. And I'm going to do here a line, kind of like the cross from eye to eye, okay? Next, we're going to do the right ear. So I'm going to go in a little on this line. And I'm going to do a triangle shape that is going to go round on the top and come back down. And I'm going to pass the line that I did of the head. Now we're going to do a couple triangles here passing this line. And it's going to look like this. I'm going to do a small triangle, a little big triangle, and a small triangle. Okay? Looks a little fuzzy there. So now from the end of this triangle, I'm going to copy the shape of the ear. And I'm going to go back down and I'm going to stop right there. So now from this second line, I'm going to join it with the triangles I did here. Let's do that now on the other side. So I'm going to go up. I'm going to do my triangle shape and I'm going to back down. And this time I pass a little bit this line. See, this ear is a little sideways. So now let's do the same idea we did here with the triangle. So I'm going to leave a space and I'm going to do a small triangle, big triangle, and a small triangle. Okay. Now I want to follow the same shape of the ear going up, coming back down, and I'm going to join this line with my triangles. There, that's the part of the head. Now let's do a little bit of fuzzy cheeks. We're going to start from this ear and I'm going to do a little triangle, one more, and then a curve. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Triangle, pointy shapes, back down. Okay? Now here underneath his tongue, we're going to mark a little bit of the cheek by doing a curved line. Now they are very fuzzy on their chest. They have a lot of fur. So we're going to go up here in this line a little and we're going to do triangle shapes. They come down and they start going kind of like towards the center. We're going to leave a space here open and we're going to copy the same thing. We're going to do the same thing in the other side. We're going to start doing triangle shapes here. And this time I want to pass a little this line, okay? So I went a little down this way. Now let's start with the paws. So from this line, I want to draw his leg. So I'm going to go down to the left and back up without touching the fur, okay? Now this line is going to join to the leg by going like to the left. I want to do one more leg in this side and I want to do a square shape and going up and connect with the fur. Now let's do the back part and he is sitting, okay? So we're going to do a curve that comes down. Now from this leg, I'm going to do a little line and I'm going to do a second leg. So for this, I'm going to do kind of like, again, a rectangle shape up But this side of the line is going to be shorter than this one. And to finish this up, I'm going to do a little curve that goes in and connects with this line. And there, that's it. We finished this little puppy. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my picture turned out. It was a super easy color, and now that we put these marks on his face, he definitely looks like a corgi puppy. Okay, at the end I went with a little bit of a really light color gray underneath his paws and here at the edges of the fur, just to give him a little bit of volume to the white part, and that pops the picture a little bit more. So, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time!